Understanding the nuances of human behaviour is key to crafting marketing strategies that truly resonate. Here are some powerful principles of behavioural psychology you can leverage. Social proof. Build trust by showcasing testimonials, reviews, and user-generated content. Scarcity principle. Create urgency with limited time offers and exclusive products. Reciprocity. Enhance loyalty by offering free samples and valuable content. Halo effect. Improve brand perception with high-quality visuals and consistent branding. Practical applications. Compelling content. Engage your audience with storytelling, clear value propositions, and interactive elements. Enhanced UX. Simplify navigation, optimize load times, and ensure mobile responsiveness. Personalization. Tailor your marketing to individual preferences for higher engagement and conversion rates. By integrating these principles, you can drive engagement, build stronger relationships, and achieve marketing success.